Andrew here, out.CHECK. We're by the airport in Toronto, Canada. I specialize in curb rash on a lot of Honda wheels. Aston Martin, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Kia. It doesn't matter what they all are. To me, they're all God's children. We fix curb rash. These wheels are off a 2018 Honda, little sedan. The profile on them sticks out a little more, about 1/8 of an inch, so I'm getting a lot of customers with the damage. This is the first video before curb rash. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to repair these, make them look good. Then I'm going to replace the damaged paint with a new black, clear, tainted finish. Very hard to duplicate, but Andrew the Doctor Detail will do it. This is the first video. 1, Andrew Doctor Detail, Inc.com in Toronto, Canada. Oh, here we are. Andrew Doctor Detail, Inc.com. We just finished these wheels. This is video 2. We repaired the damage. And the top one here had damage. It was bent and curb rash. Both, all 4 wheels were curb rashed. Pretty bad. This is Andrew Doctor Detail, Inc.com. We did a video the other day. Repairing showing how bad they were damaged. They look beautiful. We polished them and repaired all of them. I'm Andrew Doctor Detail, Inc.com. We are the wheel specialists. Check us out and read our reviews.